Hello, my friends. It's good to see you. This is Teacher Deji for you. You know, we are going to the farm. Yes, this is a farmer and this is the farm. So I'm going to say, what is this? This is the farm. Please go to page 6. This is page 6. And Lisa and her friends are going to the farm. Yes, where are Lisa and her friends going? They are going to the farm. That's right. And in the farm, they're going to see some animals. Yeah, I'm going to show you some animals. For example, they're going to see a quack, 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 duck. That's right. This is a duck. They are going to see a goat. They are going to see, maybe they're going to see fish. Fish. They're also going to see birds. Yes, they're going to see a bird. This is a beautiful bird, right? A chubby bird, right? Very round, 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 round bird. Yes, round. And they're going to see a dog. They're going to see a cat. They're going to see a cow. Moo. Yes. They're going to see a... Yes, they're going to see a horse. That's right. And they're going to see a pig. Yes. They're also going to see a... This is a chicken. Chicken. They're also going to see a meh, sheep. 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 Yes, they're going to see a sheep. They're going to see a mouse. Not Mickey Mouse. They're going to see a mouse. They're going to see a duck. Now I'm going to show you the pictures and you're going to tell me what you see, okay? Now. Speak in English. Speak in English. Say what you see.
Library. Library. Library.
All right, my friends, let's continue. You go to page 6, okay? You go to page 6, and on page 6, you're gonna see that Lisa went to a Lisa went to a farm and she found so many farm animals. Now, you're going to say which farm animals she found, okay? This one, for example. How many chicken? Actually, these are roosters, right? 1, 2 roosters. And you have 1, 2, 3 chicken. Now I can see better. I can see this is a rooster, a rooster. A rooster is a, let's say it's a boy. And this is a girl. A girl is a chicken. 1, 2, 3. 3 chicken. Actually, 3 chickens. Yes, but that's okay if you call them all of them chicken. But if you want to be more precise, you just call them rooster and rooster. And 1, 2, 3 chicken. If you say 5 chicken, that's okay. Now this one is a pig. Pig. Now say the names. All right, and after seeing all of these animals, you are going to see what Lisa actually saw. And Lisa saw different animals. Which animals are these? Sheep. Ducks. How many ducks? And look, she's throwing some food for the ducks. That's why the ducks are coming closer to Lisa. And Lisa has a... That's right. And Lisa can see a goat. Yes, goat and sheep. And this one is here. This one here is a mouse. That's right, this is a mouse. Okay, we have practice and we practice. Let's continue practicing all the animals. I'm going to point and you say the animals. Birds. Well done, very good. Maybe I can show you a surprise, right? Let's see if I can show you a surprise. Let me see if I can show you a surprise. Yeah, a surprise. Which animal is this one? Guys, look at this. What animal is this one? What animal is this one, guys? What animal is this one? Look. What color is it? Teacher Dash, of course, this is a cow, right? No, Teacher Dash, it's not a cow. Of course, this is a goat, right? No, it's not a goat. Is it a duck? It looks like a pig, right? It's a pig? Oh, Teacher Dash, don't be silly. That's a horse. Look at the horse. Look at the tail. The tail. The tail. That's the tail over there. That's the tail. And that is a horse. That's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you a horse. Do you like to ride horses? I think this one is a pangaré. Pangaré is a very common horse. Not very expensive, right? But I like it. I like pangarés. So what animal is that? Let me show you a bit more. Do you think this horse is hungry? I think it is hungry. It's eating. Eating all the leaves. That's a hungry horse. Right, guys? Very hungry horse. Yes, look at this. Horse. And it's a very, very hungry horse. All the time. It's eating all the time. Are you hungry right now? Yes? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Like this horse. Actually, there's an expression in English that says, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. But we don't eat horses, right? I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. But we don't eat horses. But horses, they eat flowers and they eat grass. Look, this is a lot of grass. Yes. Bye bye guys. That's what I wanted to show you. See you and practice the farm animals.